I want to show you. This is one of my favorite punya what do you call it? Sheer 2.0. Dia inner is attached, dah siap jahit sekali dengan the shawl. So what I like to do for this is I like to naikkan macam ni. So I suka buat macam ini, and then after that you can do this kalau you nak macam what do you call it, kemas, and then after that you can do this, put it in front. It's less than 2 minutes. Alhamdulillah, it's very fast, very what do you call it, kemas, and the coverage is very good. You can still do this kalau you nak. And of course there are a few other ways for you to pakailah. This is one of the easiest to wear, and especially kalau you baru saja berhijab, you don't have to worry nak cari inner, nak cari apa, everything is all attached, and just sarung and zap.